Earning money is little bit easy, but managing it efficiently is quite tricky. Here are the few investing options where you will learn how to manage your money and beat the inflation. 1. Investing in mutual funds. You can directly start and SEEP with 500 rupees in index mutual funds and do investment in IPO and grow your money at 10 to 15% per annum. 2. Investment in precious metals. You can start investment in gold as SEEP or buy one time. Recent trends showed over 5-year horizon, gold with 14.2% gain annually as compared to 4% saving account interest and 7 to 8% interest in FD. 3. Real estate investment. Real estate remained an attractive investment option for many people. Invest in commercial property as it gives monthly rental income and add a secondary source of income. Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Finance with Chahat.